kids! How are you guys doing today? I hope that you're doing great. I'm Miss Nathalyn. You can call me Nathalyn and we're gonna be best friends. So, in this lesson, you're gonna learn two things. The first one is living things have life. Second one would be non-living things do not have life. Want to know more about living things and non-living things? Come, let us find out. But before that, we need to learn new words. So we have 3 new words for today. The first one would be different. Different means not the same. So for example, different. This is a pointer and this is a marker. These two things are different in colors and size. This one is in black color, this one is in gray, so they are different. The second word will be living things. Living things are alive and can grow. For example, I'm a living thing because I'm alive and I can grow. I can grow from tall to fat. So I'm a living thing. The third one will be non-living things. Non-living things are things that are not alive and cannot grow. Let me show you one example of non-living things. Ta-da! This is a non-living thing because it's not alive and it cannot grow. Look around you, children. What do you see? You might be seeing, books. You might be seeing, color pencils. Or you might be seeing water bottles. So all of the things that you see around you are living things and non-living things. So today I'm going to talk to you about the things that you see around you. Some things have life in them. They are called living things. Some things do not have life in them. They are called non-living things. Do you still remember the new words that we learned moments ago? Living things and non-living things? Do you still remember the meaning? Non-living thing means things that are not alive and cannot grow. Living things mean things that are alive and can grow. So, living things and non-living things are not the same. They are different. Remember, living things and non-living things are different. So, this side is the example for living things. On the other side is the examples of non-living things. So for living things, we have trees. Trees are living things because they can grow from small tree to big and tall trees. Babies are living things because they can cry, they can laugh, they can walk, they can run. And then beaver are living things too because they can move and they can swim. Flowers are also living things because they can grow from a small seed and bloom in becoming big and beautiful flowers. For chicks, they can grow from small chicks into chickens or maybe hens. So on the other side are examples of non-living things. Non-living things, we have tables, balls, coffee, mountains, and also a vacuum cleaner that you have in your house. So those are the examples of living things and non-living things. So let's move on. I will tell you more about living things and non-living things, but before that, you need to complete your exercises in lesson 1.1. So, good luck! Hi children, are you excited for this lesson? I know I am. This lesson 1.2 is about living things. So in this lesson, you will learn 4 points. The first one is living things grow. Second point is living things need air, water, and food. The third point is living things move on their own. The fourth point is living things reproduce more of their kinds. But before that, we have 4 new words to learn for today. So the first one is breathe. Breathe means take in and blow out air. Let me show you how. Take in, blow out air. That is how we breathe. The second one is energy. Energy means power and strength. The third one is human beings. Human beings are people like you and me. We are human beings. The fourth one is reproduce. Reproduce means give birth to young ones. So, plants, animals, and human beings are living things. Remember from lesson 1.1, living things? Living thing means things that are alive and can grow. Living things are different from non-living things. They are different because living things breathe in air. Come, let's try to breathe in air. Take in, blow out. So we are living things. Living things grow. They grow bigger. They grow taller. For example, this plant. Can you see? It's growing from small until tall. And then this picture here, from little baby until a tall and very handsome young man. And then this tiger from small cub to become a young and healthy tiger. So all of that are living things because they can grow from small to big. Yeah? You get me? So, living things move on their own. They can either jump, or maybe walk, or maybe run, or swim, and they can move many different ways. So, living things need air, water, and food. We are living things, so we need air, water, and food to grow. So, living things reproduce more of their kind. They give birth to young ones. So, we humans and also animals give birth to babies. Or, for example, this elephant give birth to baby elephant. And then this cow give birth to baby cows. And we human give birth to small and cute babies. So that's all for lesson 1.2. I hope that you will finish your exercises and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye! Oh, hi children! Do you still remember the last lesson that we learned about living things? So in this lesson 1.3, we're gonna learn about non-living things. So in this lesson, we have 3 points. The first one is non-living things have no life. The second one is non-living things are natural things. The third point is non-living things are man-made. So before we start, we have 3 new words. The first one is create. Create means to make something. The second one is man-made. Man-made means things made by men. The third one is natural. Natural means not made by men. This thing is created by men. They are man-made. And the examples of natural things would be my hair. It's natural because no man created hair. Yeah. So non-living things, they do not have life and they do not grow. They cannot breathe. They cannot move. So for examples of non-living things are wardrobe, pencils, letterbox, medicines, bags, your mommy's handbags, rings, necklace, and also cupboard. There are the examples of non-living things. So what are the natural things? Natural things are non-living. Look at these pictures. All of these are natural things. For example, the sun, the stars, the moon, water, mountains, and also rocks. Those are examples of natural things. Look at this picture. Do you understand what the conversation is about? So the mom is saying that human beings also make non-living things. They are called man-made things. And the mom is asking whether you can draw man-made things. So here's are the examples of man-made things that you can draw. First one is table. There's chair, a book, a coat, cameras, alarm clock, and also ice cream. After you finish drawing, you can turn to your activity book and finish lesson 1.3. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!